Ada?
Please.
Who is after you? You are what? Come down and talk to me. Let me know what the problem is.
My daddy.
What happened to
my daddy? My daddy collapsed this morning. Come and save my daddy. Come and save my daddy.
Let's save your daddy.
I cannot afford to lose him, please.
I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just a chemist seller selling medicine.
Please, my daddy will die. I cannot afford to lose him.
What will I do now? How will I do this thing?
Please come and just see him.
Wait,
my daddy.
If there's anything I can do.
Come on, so please, let's go.
Wait now, let me take one or two things. How is that, please?
Please just go. My daddy will die. I cannot afford to lose him.
Your daddy will not die. Wait.
Amen. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Please.
Why is this body so hot? Your temperature is too high. Too
Is he
high.
going to be okay?
Yes, he will be fine. Just that his temperature is on the high side. What exactly happened before this incident?
Nothing, actually. He was just getting ready for work and all of a sudden he slumped.
My goodness. His temperature is so high. Let me just see if I can bring it down a little before I give him injection. Don't worry. You'll be fine. You'll be very fine. You'll be fine, don't worry. You'll be fine. Ada, you know what? Go outside, I want to treat him now.
No, I want to stay with my daddy.
No, I want to give him injections. You can't stand here while I inject him.
Excuse the doctor.
Please, he will be fine, trust me.
Please, in case anything, just call me.
I will call you. You'll be fine. He will be fine, trust me.
You said injection.
Yes, I'll give you injection. How can you say that? They don't put injection in juice. Do you want to die? If you do that, you just die immediately. You can't put injection inside juice. It goes through the vein.
Okay, doctor, what of that tablet? That single tablet I used to...
Injection works faster. I want you to get up fast. Eh?
God, please come through for my daddy. Don't let anything happen to my daddy, please, Lord. Don't let anything happen to my daddy. Oh, God, please.
Calm down so that I can see this vein. Okay, it's there. I've seen it. I will. Trust me. It will just bring down your temperature. Relax. Don't let this needle break inside your body. This thing is needle.
Hello? Is it okay?
The same reason I asked your daughter to go outside so that she won't watch you. So if you're crying, what do you expect her to do?
What's the problem? Are you sure it's fine? Hello? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Be calm now. What do you expect your daughter to do if you look at what you're causing? Look at the noise she's making outside. Calm down, it's remaining a little.
That's what it is.
Wait, a little.
Remove it.
Are you sure it's fine?
Yes. Keep your hand like that. Wait.
Is he okay?
He's fine.
Hi, can I come in? What's wrong with him? Yes, my love. I brought food for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ogini. Ada? What is it?
Nothing, just eat your food. I just remembered something. Eat.
Ada, do I amuse you now?
No, I just remembered the way you were screaming when they were giving you injection. I thought you were a strong man.
Ada, do not mock a sick man.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Sick man that cries when they give him injection. I'm sorry.
You know what? I'm not eating.
Oh, I'm sorry. Eat. I'm sorry. But you know that injection, I can actually take it without crying. I can take it my features. I expected you to do so.
I would have wished you sickness, but I am the one who will still pay for the treatment. But one day we'll use the needle to test that your full chest.
Yes, I'm strong. I can take it. Unlike you, they were just screaming.
I will put this pepper inside your eyes.
Sorry. My strong daddy. Eat up. My strong daddy. My hero. My very strong daddy. It's okay, just eat, yeah? Eat. Yes, I've eaten. Daddy! He's not in his room. Where could he have? Daddy! Where did he go? Daddy!
Woman, what again? What have I done this time?
You've done everything wrong. Everything. I remember our Oga was telling you that you should rest properly before starting any work. I went to your room this morning, I didn't see you. Now, look at where you are.
But you know I have to go to work. If I don't go to work, how do we then eat? Fine girl. Don't you know there's no food for a lazy man?
But at the same time, you need to be careful. What if you now lose your life while searching for the food?
I am sorry. My baby, I'm sorry now.
It's okay.
Oh God. You are the best thing that happened to me. You see, God brought you at the darkest hour of my life to put laughter on my lips and joy in my heart. In this life and in the next, I still want you to be my daughter. What? Have I said something offensive?
I'm just admiring the shape of your head.
So when we go here, we'll go and buy that small apple. That's what we'll use this.
So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Also.
Don't tell me you went to work after all my warnings.
He did though.
Eh?
He did.
Ekene, is that true? Wait, so you went to work after warning you not to do so because of your health? What you're doing to yourself is not good, Ekene. Why?
So you know how these things are. If I don't go to work, how do I feed? I have to take care of myself now and my daughter.
Ekene, do you know that it is only the living that can work and even feed himself? Eh? Look at the condition of your health. And I advise you not to go to work for now. At least take some rest first. When you're fine, then you go to work. Then you insisted and went to work. Now, what if anything happens to you? Who will take care of your daughter?
Oh my God, he wants to leave me alone in this world.
Ada?
But this is not a matter of calling Ada. I advise you not to work for now. No, it is only someone that is alive that can work. It's someone that is alive that can take care of himself, take care of his family. Eh? Can you imagine? Just look at that. If on the process of taking care of yourself, anything happens to you now, what will your daughter do?
I've heard.
This is no good now. This is not good at all. How are you faring now?
I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm better now. Feeling better.
You see?
He's not feeling any better. He's not feeling better.
You see? You're even lying. Listen, Ekene, for your own good, you have to rest. Take some rest. I will come to the house maybe tomorrow and see how you're doing. Or if you have chance, you can come over to the shop. Let me check you.
Okay, I will.
Please, you need to rest.
I will rest.
If not for anything, for the sake of your daughter.
Thank you. I will rest. I will rest.
If anything happens to you now, what will she do?
You want to leave me alone in this world?
Thank you, Nonso. I will be going now. Eh?
You don't have to be doing all this.
I've told you to mind how you talk outside. What is your problem? Eh? You don't know that you only talk when you're asked to. Why would you see two men talking and you are putting your mouth? And it's not as if he's talking to you. You are exposing your father. Okay, you hear from me. Are you sitting down or you are kneeling down? Ada, I love you. I love you so much, but you have to learn decorum. You have to learn how to talk in public. You can't be embarrassing me everywhere we go.
I was just trying to protect you. You know you're risking your life by not adhering to what Uncle Nonso said.
So you don't want to apologize, right?
Yeah, I'm doing everything possible to protect you.
You don't want to say sorry. You will remain here.
Because I love you! You're punishing me for protecting you! You're punishing me for protecting you!
Ada?
You're punishing me because I was standing. I was protecting you!
Ada, please.
I was speaking for you!
Please open the door. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for punishing you. Please open the door. Open. My baby, I am sorry. You know I love you. You know I wouldn't do anything to hurt you. I was just trying to correct you.
You don't love me. I didn't know you hate me this much. You don't love me. I thought you loved me.
Why would you say that to me? Why would you say that to me? Every morning I wake up, I move out with the hope of providing for you, making the world a better place for you. Why would you utter such words to me? Do you know that the reason I sleep with the faith and hope of waking up the next morning is because of you? And then you look at me and tell me that I hate you. You are the reason I have hope for a better tomorrow. of life is this? Eh? So far everywhere. I just want to take care of Adugo. If I can just take care of Adugo, life will be sweeter. Since she was born till now, we have been struggling to survive. God help me now, I beg. Please, be cool. This is not the life I planned for myself. This is not it. Eh? I had dreams which I already set in motion. Princess, wherever you are, it will never be well with you for what you have done to me. For putting me in this suffering situation, for abandoning me with this child alone. It will never be well with you. What are you doing? You should be sleeping. Why are you dressed?
Sleeping? No. When today is your big day. Today is your interview, right?
Yes.
I want to go with you.
Go where? How? To an interview? Do you think I'm going for a children's party or a birthday?
Well, I know where you're going to. You're going for an interview, right?
Yes.
That is why I want to go with you. At least I can stay somewhere and probably be praying for you.
That's not possible. It's not going to happen. Go in there and rest.
I want to go with you. Please. Please.
Okay. But if I say sit, you will sit.
Yes, sir.
If I say stand, you stand.
Okay, sir.
Because if your attitude cost me my work today, I will not do you. Do you understand?
Yes. Let's go.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Let me help you.
Be going.
Calm down. Let's go.
Where is the key? Oh, what kind of temptation is this now?
What nonsense is this?
And the person couldn't even stop to apologize.
It's okay. It's okay. We're not going to trek forever, okay? There is God. God will make a way for us. Let's go. And this person cannot even say, I am sorry. You know you cannot go like this now. You have to go and change.
I cannot go back house. And I can't go like this. Hi, God. I'm already running late. You know what? Let's just go. When we get to the place, I would just find their restroom and clean off all these things.
Are you sure? But you're looking...
Let's just go. Let's go. I can't go back home. Going back home is not an option. Let's go.
Don't mind them, yeah? You will make your own money and you will buy your own big car.
Amen.
Yeah?
And I'll buy your own for you.
Amen.
Your credentials are quite impressive.
Thank you, ma'am.
But I have a problem.
Okay.
Looking at your job history shows that you've been out of job for a while now. Why so?
Yes, actually you're correct, ma'am. Thing is, my wife, 6 months after she put to bed, she abandoned my daughter and I. So I had to quit job because I needed to babysit until she come of age. Oh, but the good thing is I made full recovery. I have improved myself even more, and I took some professional courses, and I am back. Most importantly, I am mentally fit. Yes.
Impressive. So you believe you have what it takes to work for Pinnacle Finance?
Absolutely. I am an ICANN certified chartered accountant. I have worked for different auditing companies with an impressive result. The excellency, the standard, and the thoroughness of Pinnacle Finance matches with mine. I am teachable too. If there is any new thing, I can learn, and I can learn with the record time.
You do know your onions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, I believe you will have to come for the final interview.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful, ma'am. Thank you. I would just, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I know you're hungry. Don't worry. When we reach, you would eat, okay?
You've not told me about the interview.
When we get home now, I'll tell you everything. You want us to start talking in the middle of the...
Yes, tell me now.
Well, the interview went well. I don't know. The woman was impressed. I don't know if I have the job, but...
But you have it.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
So let's go.
You are fine now.
Yes.
We can go.
Yes, so it went successfully.
Successfully.
Good.
The lady was impressed, and she was
You
like...
know, it's because I prayed for you. If you didn't allow me to go with you, I don't think it will work out for you.
Oh, okay.
Daddy, how you doing? How's your body?
Fine. I'm doing fine.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, hope you didn't tell those people yesterday about your health.
How would I make such a silly mistake?
Better.
They don't know anything about my health, and it will remain like that.
Ogan also gave me these medicines.
Ah.
He said you should take it easy on yourself, that you are stressing yourself so much. So you are stressing yourself, you should take it easy.
There's still more.
There's only one. That's finished.
I'm stressing myself. That's what everyone keeps saying. Yet when you ask them of money now to feed, everyone will start complaining, coming up with different excuses. My brother swallowed shovel. My grandmother is in the hospital. She's holding a hospital bed. Please, just help me get water.
Okay, let me get water for you.
Hello. Please, I'm looking for one Ekene, a fashion designer.
There's no one answering such name in this area.
Really? But this was the address given to me. Is this not a tailoring shop?
Am I now a liar?
No, not at all.
I said I don't know anyone like answering Ekene.
Let me check the next street. Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere.
Check.
Sorry to bother you.
Just look at what she's putting on. You're looking for Ekene, my father, dressed in such manner. Thank God I came today. If not, who knows what would have happened here?
Ada, what is it? Ogini, why are you looking at me like this?
So you not keep girlfriends?
Ah. How? Where did you hear that news from?
A lady came looking for you today. When I went to lock your shop, I saw her. With the way she was dressed, you could see she was up to something.
Up to something. Okay. Did you ask her name or what she want?
I didn't ask her because I don't want to know.
That's not how to handle things. Now you will ask her what. Okay, if you don't know who she is and what she wants, how would you know she's up to something? Okay, what if she's a client that came to give me a job?
Client.
Uh-huh.
Client. Dressed in such manner. Can never be possible.
Ah, Ada. You won't tell. Okay. You don't know this person. You don't know her name. She just came looking for me and you just threw her off like that. I reserve my comment. Is that why you are looking at me like that? So how am I offending you now? I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have anybody. It's just you.
But you know her.
I don't. How am I supposed to know who you don't even know who you met? You don't know her. Isn't it when you describe the person and then tell me the person's name? That's when I will know if I even know this person that you are talking about.
Just say sorry.
I should say sorry for what I didn't do anything now. Why would I say sorry?
You know her.
I don't know her. How can I know somebody that I do? Okay, how did I know her? So please stop looking at me like that. Do you want to cut your own or you want to eat your?
Just say sorry.
Aye, sorry. Sorry, oh. Hey, that's entered the space where I have to apologize for what I don't know about. Sorry again. Sorry. I said sorry now. Huh?
It's okay.
See ya. I thought you liked licking your own. Princess.
Kene, what are you doing here?
I came for the final interview.
Oh, you are the same Ekene that made it to the final selection for the accountant position?
Yes. Do I look small for the job?
Not really, just that we are vying for the same position. And unfortunately for you, I won't let you win.
Good for you. Wait. So it was you.
So it was you the other day that splashed water on me and my daughter. And you couldn't even stop to say sorry.
Oh my God. It was you? Listen, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it that way, okay? I'm so sorry.
It's fine. It's all in the past now.
Okay, just come here. Let me drop you off, okay?
No, thank you. I can find my way home.
Let me make up for the water and all of that now. Just come here. Let me drop you.
It's fine. I said it's in the past. My Joel. You are the reason I still have a purpose on this earth. And I will do everything it takes to make sure you experience the best life has to offer. Princess, what the hell are you doing here? Please, just go, okay? I have left the job for you. I am no longer interested. Just go and have it and don't come back.
I know I shouldn't have left the way I did. I was just being stupid. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You can't be sorry. Look at you. You're doing good. You are classy. You have a car. Everything you left me for, you have achieved. You don't need to be sorry. I'm like your dirty past, someone in the past you should forget. Please just go and don't come back.
Can I please?
Just go now. Why? Why are you trying to upset me? If I change them for you. They didn't nice that they try speaking English. So they look me. What's happening?
Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Is someone here? Hey.
Hi, good morning.
Hey, my baby, come here. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine. Who are you looking for? Who are you?
I'm actually looking for you. Can I?
What the hell are you doing here?
I just came to see you. And
Don't even dare. Don't even dare.
Listen, I know I wronged you in the past. I know I did something wrong, but please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
Forgive you?
Yes.
You speak of forgiveness. Okay, maybe because the other day you saw me trekking and you are in a car, so you think you can help me. You think I need your help. So you think I need your help to train my child?
I do not mean it that way, okay? I just want to come and see you and
Don't you dare. See, I don't want to see you ever in this house. Do not come back here again.
I'm sorry.
And don't let me come outside to meet you here.
Wait for it.
Ekene, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, I'm sorry. Ekene.
Are you still here?
Yes.
Do you want him to watch you before you leave?
I want to talk to him. I just want to listen.
Just go already. Go.
I know, but I don't.
Just go. He's mad at you.
No, come back. Let me see you anywhere around this house again.
Rubbish.
And she's a nobody. And nobodies are usually not important.
It's important to me. I mean, that hug meant so much to her. Wait.
No. Don't say that. Okay? I'm already stressed out today. Don't add your own to mine.
Woman there's something fishy about this woman. Something fishy about this woman. Is it that my father is hiding something from me? Because the overfamiliarity is something else. It's so suspicious. I need to figure out what is really going on. Because at this point, I think I'm lost. I am really lost. Hold on a bit.
Ada, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Can't sleep.
No. I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
It's about that lady. Is she my mom?
How would you ask such a question? Do you know the lady? Have you seen her before? Do you have any connection, maybe some kind of connection with her?
No.
So why would you ask me such a question?
Because the way she reacted when she saw me, she called me her baby, she embraced me. The feeling was something else.
It's nothing special. I mean, there are women like that. They call all children their babies, especially the female ones. Maybe she likes children. Maybe she likes you. There's nothing special. And as for your mother, I've told you she does not exist. So please stop asking about her. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
So if I am to understand or believe you, I don't have a mother for now. So who is she?
Was that talking? Go to sleep.
I just want to know. Oh.
So tomorrow morning.
So you started keeping secrets?
No, I'm not keeping secrets.
You started keeping secrets?
It's just that. Why would you repeat the question I have just answered?
Hey, Ada. Ada, please wait. Hey.
You again?
Yes, me again. Is your father home?
Well, fine. My dad is not home. He went to his shop. I'm going to my friend's house to play.
No. Why don't you just come with me instead, okay? I know you have a lot of questions to ask, but I will answer you everything. Just come with me.
I don't think it will be possible.
No, I won't bite. Just come with me.
My daddy won't be happy if he hears that.
Come on, I'm not going to bite you. Just come with me. Let's go to my place, okay? Let's go.
I'll show my dad I'm safe.
You're safe with me. Trust me. I cross my heart. You're very safe with me. Just come. Let's go. Okay, come.
This is you and my daddy.
Yes. Adugo, I am your mother.
My mother. How? Because my father told me that my mother doesn't exist anymore. So, how come you still exist?
He said all of that to protect you because of what I did to him in the past. I was naive and stupid. I had this stupid fantasy in my head that I wanted to explore. And I did that at the detriment of my family. I am sorry, my baby. Please forgive me. Please.
So you said this?
Yeah, I want close up and Zolat.
Close up and Zolat. This one is 1,000 naira.
For close up?
This is medium size now. You know how the economy there now. And Zolat is 1.5. But we'll have the smaller one of 800 naira.
Let me see the small one. Sorry.
Okay.
Just don't worry, just give me this one.
And this one is 1,000. But this one, you see this one, it can keep warm like tomorrow, no day. So two of them is 2,500.
Ha! Do I even have that cash?
We will accept transfer.
Okay,
okay.
So what bank?
0.
No, sir. No, sir. Have you
Who
seen
is after you?
Nobody. Have you seen my daughter?
Is your daughter missing?
Hey.
Wait. Does Adu go now leave the house without your permission?
No. See, I left the house this morning to the shop. Yes. When I was done, I returned back home. I couldn't find her anywhere. She's not in the house. I've searched everywhere around. She's not there. I even went to her friend's place where they do play together. They said they've not seen her today.
Adu is not like... Hey, wait a minute. I saw someone like her in one car this morning. They drove past here.
You saw her in a car and you couldn't stop her?
Before I could come out, they were gone already. The car was on speed. This Lexus 350 saloon, not the Jeep own. I was even thinking maybe one of your relations returned.
Princess.
Eh?
What have you done?
Which princess? Ekene? Ekene? Sorry about that, please. Yes. The whole money is 2,500.
What?
Access.
Who does she think she is? After abandoning that child when she was an infant for a pursuit I don't even know about. And she thinks she can just come from the thin air just to claim her back. Never. Never! I'll never let it happen. Even if I will die trying to stop it, I'll make sure she will never have that child.
Hey, baby. Hope you like your food. No, it's okay. You don't need to talk, okay? I'm off to work. The house is all yours to play and do whatever you want. If you're hungry, go to the kitchen and eat anything. All right? Take care and see you later, okay? Bye.
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 What is wrong with you? Huh?
What is it? Do you want to damage my car?
Damage your car? Who do more than that? Who gave you the right to take my daughter for a full day without my consent? Are you mad?
Come on, Ekene, I didn't mean it that way.
You didn't mean it that. So how did you mean it? Huh? How do you explain your sudden attachment to a daughter you abandoned years ago? How?
Ekene, you have to believe me. I realized that I should have abandoned my family over one worthless fantasy.
Now look at what your stupid fantasy has turned me into. I lost my job, I lost everything I have, all because of you. And now you are coming back. What are you coming to do? What else do you want? I left the pinnacle job just so you could just go. Go with your burdens. What do you want? I'm an ordinary tailor now. I'm struggling to feed myself and my daughter. Please, is that not enough?
I'm sorry, okay?
Please. I am giving you 24 hours to return my daughter. If not, you will see war. And I will destroy this car.
In a quiet room where shadows play, a cradle rocks with dreams that fade away. Daddy held her close with tender hands, learning how to love, making all the plans. Every lullaby,
Princess. Princess, you have the guts to take my daughter away from me? Who do you think you are? Because you are driving one rickety car?
As they pay the price, the ghosts of yesterday, they whisper and they moan. A mother's selfish choice made him face it all alone. With a fire in his heart and tears on his face, he built a life of love, yet felt he lost the race. Now she's back with empty words, a shadow of the past.
Ekene? morning.
Good morning.
I was actually coming to check on you concerning what you told me about your daughter. Have you been able to see her?
Yes. She's with Princess.
Which princess?
My ex-wife.
Your ex what?
How?
I thought she abandoned that girl when she was still an infant. So what does she want with her again?
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. I stayed with her. I nurtured that girl. I deserved that girl in my life. So I went for this interview, the one I told you about at Pinnacle Finance.
Yes.
I met her there. Apparently, we are vying for the same job.
My goodness.
I just left the job for her.
You left which job for her?
I left the job for her because I do not want anything to do with that lady again. Apparently, she had her own plans. She has been coming here to apologize to what she did to me in the past, but I wasn't interested at all. Only for her to go behind me and take Adugo away from me.
My goodness. This lady you call your wife is evil. She is evil. Even if she wants reconciliation, is this the best way to go about it? Trying so hard to destroy what you built all this.
Reconciliation I do not want. I do not want. What kind of rubbish is that? I just want to get my daughter back. That's all.
But you know, now that your daughter have met her, definitely she must tell her she's her mother.
I don't care. I don't care what she must have told her. That lady is not a good person. I need to take my daughter away from her. She's not a good person, for crying out loud.
Why is this lady bent on destroying what you've built all these years? Why? What kind of human being is she?
I don't know. I'm just trying to process this whole thing.
It's going to be very difficult because definitely she now knows she is her mother. So how are you going to do this? The worst mistake you made was allowing her access to your daughter at the first place.
But I did not. I didn't permit this.
This is going to
I don't care because she is now the mother. She left. Let her remain wherever she has been all this while.
Hey, my baby. Are you okay? What is it?
I miss my daddy. I want to go back to him.
You don't want to stay with your mommy anymore?
I want to, but I still want to go and meet my father. Can't we just live together? I mean, we can actually live together rather than living apart.
That's exactly what I want to. I will do everything to make it happen. Listen, I want you to stay with me. I promise to bring Daddy home. Okay? That's my girl. Have you had something to eat? Okay, let me go inside and prepare you noodles. Alright? Cheer up. Okay? Listen, baby, I want you to stay in here and lock the door. No matter what happens, do not come out. Okay, just stay here for me. Promise me you'll do it. You will? Alright, so I'm coming.
Princess, where is my daughter?
Calm down, okay? Calm down. Listen, you have to kill me first before you get into my house.
Princess, I am restraining myself. Go in there and bring my daughter or I'll do it myself.
Ikene, can you ever forgive me? I just want to be a good mother to my daughter. I want to repay her for all the things I did to her in the past. Please.
You dare call yourself her mother? What if she has died? Go in there and bring my daughter. Go and get her.
I'm sorry, okay? We can actually talk about this. Just take it easy. Alright?
Princess, I don't want to do something I will regret. Go in there and bring my daughter.
Can you please
go in there and bring my daughter?
Can I take it easy?
My baby. My baby, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure? I've come to take you home.
I want to stay with my mommy. I want us to stay together.
What have you done to my daughter?
I didn't do anything to her. I only showered her with the love that she deserves. She has tested both sides and she wants her both parents together. Can't you understand?
Shadows play. A cradle rocks with dreams that fade away.
Us together, please.
Daddy held her close with tender hands, learning how to love, making all the plans. Every lullaby his heartache sings in the silence of the night. Hope takes wing, but the echoes of a woman who walked away haunts them as they pay the price. Oh, the ghosts of yesterday.
Thank you so much for standing by me out there. I know I do not deserve it. Thank you.
I just want both of you back together. Is it too big to ask for?
That's exactly what I want to. But your dad hates me because of what I did to him in the past. But hey, I promise you, I will fix things. Okay? Right? Come here. Thank you.
My goodness. This is unbelievable. So the princess had the guts to adopt your daughter after everything she did to you and that girl?
You have seen everything now. You've seen everything. I don't know what she's planning, but I will be ready for her when she comes.
It baffles me more how she managed to get her by her side. That one baffles me the more.
Adugo is a good girl. I raised her. I watched her grow. So I don't care what Princess must have told her. When she comes back to my arms, I will undo everything that she has done.
Mr. Man, this is not time to undo anything. This is time to take action. And that action you must take now. Listen, we are taking this case to court. Yes, I know you don't have enough funds to pursue it, but we must take it to court. That's the only remedy. Princess herself knows that if this matter gets to the court, she has no case. That's why she's doing what she's doing now, just to get the girl to her side. So you have to stand like a man this time and chase this once and for all.
I'm just confused, honestly.
Hey, Mr. Confusion, this is no time for confusion. I don't need that your confusion state again. This is time you have to stand like a man and act like one. It doesn't matter what it will cost, we must take this matter to court. Yes, you have to deal with that woman after all the pain she has caused you. Never. We don't have to let this slide. This time around, I'm out. I'll be by your side and we'll fight this battle together and win as a team. Even if it means selling that my chemist shop to back you, I am ready to do it. Are you getting me? So sit up. If you don't do this, posterity will not judge you well. Come on. After all the pain she caused you, this same girl, she abandoned her when she was still a kid. Now she's coming back to reap where she did not sow. Never. This time around, I disagree for you. What nonsense.
I will undo everything that she has done.
Mr. Man, this is not time to undo anything. This is time to take action. And that action you must take now. Listen, we are taking this case to court. Yes, I know you don't have enough funds to pursue it, but we must take it to court.
Who's this one now?
Hi, Daddy.
Ada? Ada, is that you?
Yes, Daddy.
Ada, how are you?
Daddy, please, can I beg for something?
Okay.
I wanted to please forgive Mommy for me, please. I just want both of you to be back together. Hello? Hello, Daddy, are you there?
Yes, I am. Baby, did your mother put you up to this?
No, not at all. No one told me anything. I just want to be happy like other kids out there. You know, I don't have any mother. I've always been with you. And now, I've seen my mother. I just want both of you to be together. Let us live together. I want to experience this both parenting. I can't just live with one parent. Please. Daddy. Daddy. Hello? Hello? He's not saying anything again.
It's okay. You've done your best. Thank you so much, my baby. It's okay. You'll come around. Okay?
You think so?
Yes, I believe so.
Yeah. In a quiet room where shadows play.
Hello. Good day.
Good day.
Please, I'm looking for Ekene.
With tender hands, learning
I
how
am
to
Ekene.
love.
What do you want?
Oh, thank God. I've been here several times looking for you.
Okay, so how may I help you?
A friend of mine recommended you to me. Also, I saw your outfits online. They are so good. So I want you to make some clothes for my fiancé. My wedding is coming up soon.
I am sorry I have to politely decline that opportunity. I am not in a good frame of mind to take on any job.
Really? You don't need the job. I mean, this is the kind of job that can scale you up. Anyways, here is my business card. In case you change your mind within 7 days, we can work together. Okay? Please. Sorry about whatever you're going through. Please, I'm expecting your call. I can't believe he rejected the job. What kind of silly pride is that? Eh? Does he know how many people are looking for this opportunity? Princess, you're not even listening to me.
Oh. I'm so sorry. A lot has happened in recent time.
Like, what and what?
I recommended him to you because I wanted that to bring us closer. But fortunately, I met him at Pinnacle Finance. Well, I have my daughter with me and I'm not looking back.
Your daughter? How? I thought you abandoned her when she was still an infant.
Not anymore, Faith. I can't be proud of what I did to her in the past. I just want to be a better mother.
No wonder he acted so cold towards me. It has affected him both emotionally and mentally. Princess, are you sure you can deal with him? Because this is war.
I am going to take my chances. Yes, I will.
I hope it turns out good for you. But please, I would love to see your daughter.
Of course you see her.
Okay.
Ada! Ada! Please come. Yes, Ada. Meet my friend, Faith. Faith, my daughter. I don't go.
You!
What is it?
What a small word. Yeah. No wonder she had to lie to me.
She's probably protecting her father from strange girls. You know, you look like one. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding.
No, it's not bad at all. It's not. I mean, that girl loves her father more than anything you can think of. But Princess, are you sure? Are you really sure this is going to work?
I'm ready to take all my chances. Faith, I just need all the help I can get. I am so desperate. I can do anything to correct my mistakes of the past. I can.
Come here. You'll be fine. You will.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You're a sweet friend.
I'm always here for you, okay?
Good to see you after the
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What an amazing friend.
Of course.
Make me feel special.
Always.
Who is that? Now hold on, I'm coming.
Hi.
You? Again?
How did you find me?
Oh, finding you wasn't difficult at all. You seem to be a very popular person in your street.
Look, if you're here about the sewing gig, my answer still remains the same. I am not interested.
That's not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
I am here because of Princess.
Madam, I have nothing to say to you, madam. Just leave my house. Leave my compound.
I saw her go.
And I spoke to her too. Ekene, that girl has been deprived of a mother's love for a long time. I know what Princess did to you was bad. I am not supporting her. But please, for the sake of Ada, please, let bygones be bygones.
So you think this is easy? Do you know how old that child was when she abandoned her? 6 months. 6 damn months! And she thinks she can just come out of the blue and claim the child that she abandoned. Never. Over my dead body. Now you go and tell your friend that I am coming with everything that I've got. I would rather die than to see her with my child. I'll come at her. Tell her to meet me in court. Leave my house.
Ekene.
Do not let me come out there.
In a quiet room where shadows play, a cradle rocks with dreams that fade away. Daddy held her close with tender hands.
Yeah. Hello, dear. How did it go?
Babe, he said he's going to court too. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Oh, yes, I can hear you.
You have to do something about this. Unless you can't be able to turn Adugo against her father. You and I know that you won't stand a chance in court. You have to do something. Hello, Princess. You're not saying anything. Hello? Princess, are you there? Hello? Hello?
Sandy sheep.
Ada, where is mommy?
She's inside.
Princess. You know, the way you ended the call on me last night made me think you did something bad to yourself. Princess, you really got me scared. Come, it's okay. Why are you doing this to yourself? Do you want Ada to come and see you this way?
Faith, I am finished.
No, you are not, baby. Come. You're not. You're not, baby. Please be strong.
Daddy held her close.
Come to think of it, you know you can actually use Ada to get to him. Have you ever thought of that?
His heartache sings in the silence of the night. Hope takes wing.
Please be strong, okay?
But the acres of a woman who walked away haunts them as they pay the price. Oh, the ghosts of yesterday, they whisper and they moan. A mother's selfish choice made him face it all alone. With a fire in his heart and tears on his face, he builds a life of love, yet
you know you can actually use Ada to get to him, right?
A shadow of the past.
Hope you enjoy your food.
Yes.
I don't know why you like noodles so much. I'm beginning to love it because of you.
Storms have come and gone. She's painted on her scars, but the guilt lingers on. Forgive me, she says, but can she erase the lifetime of heartache she left in her wake? The little girl she left behind has grown into a song, a melody of resilience that keeps her strong. But in the depths of the night, when silence sinks so deep, she wonders why the one she loved.
Ekene, I went to your shop, you were not there. How come you're just sitting down here thinking like a man that lost his wife? What's the problem?
Welcome.
Well, I came to inform you that I've gotten a lawyer for you. Yes, a very good one at that. I was able to book an appointment with him, so by next week, we'll be going to meet him. I think that's a good start.
Thank you.
Just that. Come on, Ekene, what's wrong with you? Is there anything you're not telling me? How will you just be looking this moody and dejected? What's going on?
No, so you're not the problem.
Then what is the problem?
Just take a look at me. Do I deserve this kind of treatment? Do I deserve this kind of treatment from a woman I loved and got married to? This is not fair.
You don't, my brother. You don't deserve it. And no good man deserves this kind of punishment. Listen, forget about all these things you're doing and teach her a lesson. Let me tell you one thing. If you don't teach this lady a lesson, other women like her will continue in their evil ways. So you need to teach her a lesson so that it will serve as a deterrent to them.
I know, but...
There is no but anywhere. This is the only right thing to do. Can you listen? I know you're doing this semester because of your daughter, but listen, your daughter have always been fine without her. So she will continue to be fine. You have to stand up, do what you're supposed to do. Yes. Not sitting down here like vegetable thinking all day. Listen, get yourself ready. Next week I'm coming here to take you. We are going to see him. If you like, continue like this and see what happens to you.
Who is that? I'm coming.
Oh, my baby. My baby. How are you? How did you get here? Who brought you?
My mom brought me.
Oh, okay. Okay, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure you're okay? You're looking good. Have you eaten?
Yes.
Come, I have something for you to eat.
You didn't drink water. Oh, you didn't eat at all. Why? Why didn't you eat your food? You're not hungry?
I don't want to eat it. I've eaten in my mom's house. And I eat good food there. She makes noodles for me with egg. Sometimes she fries them. Sometimes she boils them. I mean, those are what I want. But here, you just keep giving me white rice and water stew, white rice and water stew, then you add onion on top. It's not okay, it's not good. Can't you just allow her come here so that she can be making those good food for us?
Daddy is sorry. I couldn't provide something nicer this time. But I promise next time I will do better.
This is that you just don't want her to come to this place. Let her just come. Let us live together. It's not bad. She should come and...
Ada! Stop it!
You're not yelling at me.
I'm sorry. See, I know you You are thinking maybe I am the bad person here. I am not. You see, Princess did something to you and I years ago. Something terrible. So all I'm trying to do now is to protect you. You see that dream of wanting her to come back for us to live together. I'm sorry, it can never happen.
So, what is it that she did to you and I? That is this terrible.
I don't want to continue this discussion.
Just let her come.
She cannot! She can...
Then I can't keep eating this.
Faith, are you sure this is going to work?
Babe, you have made your decision. This is not the time to start doubting and asking irrelevant questions. You have to stand and fight for the decision that you have made. There is no going back.
Girl, I am tired of fighting. I am tired of fighting. I just want peace.
I know, babe. And as for Adugo, she is Ekene's weak point. I just hope that he will yield to her demands.
Yeah. I hope for the best.
Yeah. But, babe, can I ask you a question?
Yes, go on.
Do you really want to get back with Ekene? I mean, I saw the disgust on his face when I mentioned your name. Are you really sure you can change that?
I will do all that I can. I'll try my best.
Well, that is fair. You know, babe, I love your confidence so much. And I will stand by you to the end, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Daddy!
No! What kind of a nightmare is this? Rather share a kiss with a pig than that a queen's. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. What kind of a nightmare? What kind of a nightmare is this? Ada, why are you treating me like this? Why are you punishing me like this? I thought you were asleep only to come in here. You're here seated in the dark with just staring at nothing.
Daddy. I want mommy back. I want both of you together. Can you do it for me?
You know that I don't deny you anything. I would do anything for you, but this that you're asking is difficult. Do
you want me to die?
Nobody's dying. Nobody's dying. You're not going to die. Just tell her to come back, nothing else. I just want to experience both parenting. Nothing else.
Ada, you need to rest, okay? You need to sleep. We'll talk some more about this tomorrow. Talk some more tomorrow, please. Just don't do this. I don't like this fight with you. Okay, we'll talk about it some more tomorrow. Okay? Just go to bed, please. How long have you been standing there staring at me?
Long enough to know you still miss her.
Miss who?
My mom.
Yeah. I don't. Adam, why are you not eating your food? Why are you doing this to me? And why are you always punishing me like this?
No.
Why? How? What do you mean you are not hungry? You said you wanted to eat noodles and I prepared it for you. You are saying you... See, the way you treat me is not fair. It's not fair what you are doing to me. You better eat this food and finish it. We can't be wasting food in this house. There's no food, let alone...
Can I?
What are you doing here?
Hey. Hey, baby. How are you? Thank you. I just wanted us
Please,
to...
can you just leave? Stop coming here. Stop disturbing us.
Mommy, when are you coming?
Daddy hasn't decided that yet. Once he does, I will come, okay?
Please, can you just leave this place? Can you leave and not come back again? I don't like what you're doing.
Okay. I'll see you again, okay? Take care of yourself.
Why are you frowning now? Are you still fighting with me? Eat your food. You have to eat this food. You made me prepare. So I'll now go and wash it. If I say you are not abusing me as your father, you say I'm lying. I gave you food, you are refusing to eat it. Now you are colliding with somebody who... Okay. Ada, I don't have time for this. Please don't start now. Keep moving. Let's go home.
You don't like me. You don't want me to be happy. That's why you're doing what you're doing.
Ada, how can you say such a thing to your father? Do you know what I have sacrificed for you? What I have laid down just because of you? So you want your mother to come and reap where she did not sow? Ada, you know I love you. I love you with the whole of my heart. Everything I do for you.
can never hurt you. You need to trust your father. He's the only one that loves you. Come. I'm sorry, okay? All right, let's go.
Ekene? Ekene?
Yeah.
I don't get. What's the meaning of this? I went to your shop, you were not there, and I've been calling you since you're not taking your calls. Did you forget today is the day we are supposed to meet with the barrister? I've gone to your shop, you were not there. I've been calling your phone, no way. So I came to the house so that we can go together because he's already waiting for us. So what's going on? You're lying down here, not even dressed. Hey, can you talk to me? Is there anything? Are you not the one I'm talking to? You are just sitting down here not saying anything. I left my shop to come and see you and you're just... What's going on?
No, so I don't want to do this anymore.
What? What did I hear you say? You don't want to do what again? So you want Princess to win us in this case? You want to give her an edge over us, right? Someone that just came from nowhere and took away what you've nurtured all this year and you want to let it slide?
It's not like that. It's about Adugo. See, I just feel like Princess doesn't know the gravity of offense that she has committed, but it is against me, not against Adugo. She doesn't deserve this. What Princess did definitely was terrible. But she has bonded somehow with Adugo, and taking her away from Adugo, it will break her. I don't want that. I just feel...
I can't believe you're the one saying this. I can't believe it at all. All of a sudden, you just want everything to go just like that? So that this girl will not have an edge over us, thinking that she has sworn, right? Can you listen to yourself? Maybe because I didn't ask you for the money. Do you know I've already given that barrister some money? And the man is right there in his office waiting for us. Here you are, telling me you don't want to do it again. My goodness.
Maybe I'll just hustle hard and find the money.
No. It's okay. Who am I to you? Just a chemist man trying to help someone I thought is my friend. But it's fine. Since I'm not welcome, I'll just go back to my shop and allow you do your wish.
No, so don't talk like this. Don't make me feel bad.
Suit yourself. You've really tried. After everything I've suffered, you just want to call it a quit?
It's just Adugo's mental
You want to stop
health.
the race at the middle of the race.
Hold on.
Daddy agreed to bring me back.
Oh, thank you so much, Ekene. This means a lot to me.
And I am not doing it for you. I'm doing it for my daughter.
Daddy.
I understand. You see, I want to come back home. You know we never really divorced legally.
Don't try that. Don't try to get me angry.
It's okay. No more fighting, okay? Besides, I want her back.
Ada.
Yes, please. I want her back. I want us to live together.
In a quiet room,
It's fine. You can come back home.
cradle rocks with
Thank you so
dreams.
much.
Thank you so much.
So, yeah.
Yes, I can't wait.
I can't wait to have you now.
I'm so happy.
Ada, if there's anything, you let me know.
There's a problem.
Making all the plans.
Daddy,
Every
no hard.
lullaby, his heartache sings.
Have a nice
The night, hope takes me.
Me too.
You'll be fine.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.
Hear the pride, ghosts of yesterday.
Wow. This is a good news. I'm so
Yes.
happy for you, babe.
Thank you.
So when are you leaving?
Maybe tomorrow or next. I just want to buy a few things that I've been needing there. Listen, I contacted an agency to look for someone to occupy my house. I am going to miss my home.
Babe, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Oh, Adugo is a good girl.
No.
I told you. She is Ekene's weak point.
She's not just a good girl. She's the best daughter ever in the world. Listen, I just want to be a good mother to her, to repay her for what she has done for me. I mean, she's so sweet. Cheers. Good life. Listen, you should go and get married. I'm leaving the street for you. I'm going inside. You should also go inside.
It's true, you're leaving me.
Oh yes, I am.
And don't worry, okay? Don't worry about being a good mother. I know you will make a great mom.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Hey, let me go and look for my own husband.
Please hurry up. Hurry up and go inside, just like I'm going inside.
I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Cheers once more. It's a good life.
Ekene, please, I don't have time for all this right now.
I don't understand. What is wrong with you? You just put to bed. You cannot stay home and breastfeed your baby. Instead, you are going up and down. Like, you are not going anywhere today.
Ekene, for the last time, I am tired of this. I'm tired of you boxing me around. Please excuse me. Excuse me now. I'm tired. I'm done. I can't pretend to be happy anymore.
What about the baby? Our baby.
I see baby. Which baby? Please, that is not my problem.
Please,
I'm leaving. No.
Please,
no.
Don't leave us. Please.
Leave me.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Oh,
thank you. I'm so happy to be back home. Where's your daddy?
He's inside.
Let me get my bag.
All right. Let me follow you.
Okay. Let me get my bag. Oh yeah. This here.
I guess this is
this.
not all your bag.
No, just this one for now.
Daddy! Daddy!
I'm here.
Guess what?
Kenny, will you ever forgive me?
Princess, you are here because of Adugo. Let it remain like that. Maybe later some things might change, but for now, you are here because of her.
I know what I did is unforgivable, But I'm a changed person. I just want to be with my family. Please forgive me.
You can stay.
Thank you.
Come on. Let's go and get food.
This food is very delicious. I've always known you to be a good cook.
Daddy.
Hmm?
You didn't reply her.
Oh.
She was talking to you.
Oh.
Adugo, don't worry. We'll do all the talking and floricking when we get to the room. For now, let's observe table manners and enjoy this delicious food. Okay?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I made this food for you specially. I hope you're enjoying it.
Yes.
There's this place that big meat. This is it.
Does anyone come on?
Just eat your own first, then. Bite it. Deal with the meat. Don't let the meat win. Don't let it enter your eyes. Good.
You see, the truth is that this will be the biggest mistake of your life. Yes, ditch that lady and rest. I know you think you're doing this for the sake of your daughter, but that girl has lived all her life without her. So she will come to terms with that. Let me tell you, even if it means relocating with her, do that without delay. Go ahead and do it. You have my full support. If you ask me, this is my candid advice to you. So I don't know what you think about it. Ekene? Ekene?
Oh, sorry.
Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Sorry, I don't know.
So what do you think about what I said?
What were you saying?
My goodness. So I've been talking to myself all this while. You mean I've been talking to thin air?
No, it's not like that. It's just that this whole thing is just a lot of things are going on in my mind. I'm confused as it is right now.
And that is why I have come to help. It's simply because you're confused I have come to help. Listen, princess have no right whatsoever, no reason whatsoever to return to your house. Yes, she doesn't. Can't you think?
I understand your perspective, but the thing is, do you know how difficult doing what you're asking? I love Adugo. I can't stand going into a war with her right now. If they hadn't met and lived together, it would have been a different thing, but as it is now, it's already too late. I don't know what to do as it is right now.
I see. It is too difficult to do what I've advised you to do. Then do it the easy way. Do the easy thing and regret all through your life. Yes, mark my words. You will live to regret this.
Don't talk like this now.
All I'm saying, had I know, mark my words.
All I'm saying is just look at it from this perspective. Eh? Just come my side small.
I have looked at it both sides, and what I'm telling you is nothing but the simple truth. You don't make a mistake you live to regret. Not at all. Come on, be a man. I don't know why you're thinking like a woman. A man stands firm. Stand bold.
Kenny, what you're doing to me is not fair at all. I've been here for a day now, but you refuse to talk to me. Yes, I know you said I'm here because of Adugo. I want you to please forgive me. Adugo is coming of age and she needs the support of her both parents.
Support of her both parents. So now you know what a supportive parent is. Princess, I am tired and I don't have time for this right now.
Kenny, this torture is too much on me now. And I can't take it anymore. I just want to come back to my family and so we can be the way we used to be before I went mad.
Princess! Princess! Please! I am tired. Go inside, rest, sleep, do whatever you want. Allow me to think.
Okay. I'll go inside, just freshen up and come in so we can talk further. I'll be waiting for you.
One question for you. If you haven't forgiven her, then why accept her back? Eh? Why use Adugo as a bait to unleash your evil intention towards her? Look at you. See how your hatred for Princess has destroyed your life and your daughter's future.
Adugo, I am so sorry. I allowed my hatred for your mother becloud my sense of reasoning, and I shouldn't have done this. Honestly, I shouldn't have done it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Adugo.
Take him away.
Hold on. Daddy.
You will rot in jail for what you have done. And Ekene, I will make sure that this is the last time you ever set your eyes on Adugo again. Nonsense.
Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy!
Yeah. In a quiet room where shadows play, a cradle rocks with dreams that fade away. Daddy held her close with tender hands, learning how to love, making all the plans. Every lullaby his heartache sings in the silence of the night. Hope takes wing, but the echoes of a woman who walked away haunts them as they pay the price. The ghosts of yesterday, they whisper and they moan. A mother's selfish choice made him face it all alone. With a fire in his heart and tears on his face, he built a life of love, yet felt he lost the race. Now he's back with empty words, a shadow of the past. Will he ever find the strength to forgive at last? Years have rolled by, storms have come